Okay, this is the Queen Staircase. We didn't count how many steps we have here. Welcome to Nassau, Bahamas. We're finding where the place is called Queen Staircase. It was built by the slaves for the Queen. Forgot the name. I don't know if this is the right place. I'm with Moses from Peru.
Hello.
Pogi.
Wow. Always bold.
So we see this like a tower. I don't know what tower is this one called. We just walk by outside the port, go straight to the left, and it seems like we're lost, but we're here now. I think this is not the staircase because this is all pavement and cement. So I think we are lost. This is Fort Fincastle. At least we came here. Fort Fincastle, not the Queen Staircase. At least we saw something. Yeah, I think we're walking the wrong path because we don't see a lot of people walking there.
There's a lot of people coming from there.
Now there's a lot of people going here. There's the Queen Staircase. Welcome. We go down there. So we're right. There's a fort also there with some cannons. We'll go down there. It shows there the Queen Staircase. At least before eating in the Filipino restaurant.
Losing weight.
Yeah.
Making space for more.
Does not go away. So literally, every morning.
We see it. We saw it.
Yeah, me on your camera.
Yeah. So here is the Queen Staircase. It's like a 10 or 15-minute walk from the port. We got the land. See? Queen Staircase.
Shana, come here.
Ooh, nice.
Let's take a picture. Really quickly. Girls, come on.
Go, fast.
Go, let's go. Quickly.
No
Fast,
professional. No professional photography. We're not professional, we're amateurs. So probably it's okay. Ooh, I'm sweating. So as you can see, professional photography is not allowed. So you cannot. You don't have to pay anyone or anything. This is the staircase going down.
No, yeah.
Let's go, Mr. Moses. So we are going to walk down slowly.
I got it.
Okay, go. Let's go. Man, that's
It's
it.
cute here.
It's easy to go down and come up.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, hold on. I got it.
How are you, Moses? You tired?
Are you good?
So you'll see here. This is what it looks like.
Shana, I need you to hold the
Dirty.
Good thing there's no mosquitoes here. Stagnant water. I think it's a falls here. It's overflowing. But it's not activated. It looks like water is going down here, but it's not working anymore. It's like a waterfalls. Did you count the stairs?
More stairs.
Oh, sorry.
It's nice, huh? So the blocks here is like the regular blocks, and I think it's already prepared. Probably they don't have cement before when they did this one. Okay, this is the Queen Staircase. We didn't count how many steps we have here, and we're sweating. If you want to get a short exercise, go here, walk. See how they carve out this big stone, limestone, just to make a staircase for the Queen. Slavery. We are all slaves right now. Do you agree?
Agree. 50%.
50%. See, these are all limestone, and it's preserved here in Nassau, Bahamas. Try to check this one out here when you go. Good sceneries. Good scenery.
That's right.
Thanks, Moses, for coming with me.
Thank you, Roland, for inviting me.
Yeah.
Joining your channel.
Don't forget,
But most importantly,
subscribe. So
Give
just
coffee.
enjoy. Just enjoy life here in the cruise ship. Travel as much as if you can. You'll never know if you're gonna come back here again.
Exactly.
You'll never know if you're gonna be rehired again.
Never know they're gonna fire
Never
you.
know you're gonna get fired anytime.
By your supervisor.
We had a hard time finding the Queen Staircase earlier. Supposedly you walk up to the restaurant, the Chinese restaurant, go left, then go straight up, then you will reach that, the Queen Staircase. Because when we went out the port, we just walked straight up. You never get lost here in Bahamas. Everything here is easy to find. Just be careful always.
Go with security.
Go with security. You can hire Moses. I'll give you his number. You see a lot of police around in this area because the crime rate here is high.
Yeah.
Just when the tourists came back. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.
What's that?
That's the Filipino, authentic Filipino.
The other is like a coffee.
Hmm?
The other one.
But a coffee shop the other side there. It's a bar. So here is the Asian restaurant. So it's open now. Here is the Manila Grill.
It's up to you. Look, there's Emily.
See the guys here, Emily and Miley. So the business hours here is 11 up to 8 p.m.